this is Mango from My Media. Today I will show you how to update the RA and the vertical video setting. It has two methods to update the RA. You can update from the main unit or the mobile app online. Now I will show you how to update from the main unit. You can see the RA is online now. Enter More Setting. The last one, General. Software Upgrade. The red word, New Version Found. You can click it to update here. The second method is to update from the online app. Now I enter my online app. You can see RA is online and it have a orange word, found a new version. I can update from here as well. After updated finish, it will automatically reboot the device. Now the device has been rebooted. You can see it is horizontal video now. Some clients want to use the vertical mode, so I will show you how to use it. Enter More Setting. The last one, General. You can see the live mode. Channel Rotate. Turn on it. It has the rotation angle. You can select it. Confirm. You have to restart the device, then it can use it. Okay. Now I turn off the RA. Now I turn on it. You can see it shows vertical video now. Now I can switch vertical video. This is all for the update RA and vertical video mode. Thank you.